How you doing, everybody? This is going to be a quick introduction to 3D print setup. We all have on our computers the slicing software that it takes to make a 3D part into a 3D print. So what you can do is launch this software for the 3D printer, select the right printer, and then drag and drop your parts in after you learn how to make the parts the right format. So just give this a minute to load up. What you're going to see is a welcome screen, orientation setup type deal. So you're going to continue until you see the option to pick a printer, and there's going to be a very long list. You're going to have to scroll down pretty far until you find the Ender 3 S1 Pro option. And then you select that printer, and it's going to configure this environment to match the printers that we have in Classroom. Once you've got that opened up and set, you go to your Fusion program, click export. It's going to be in a Fusion file. You need to convert it to a STL file. So you scroll down, click STL, then hit export. You've already done this. I'm replacing the file, but the export should be going down into your downloads folder. So it'll be here. What you do is you take that export and drag and drop it into slicing like this. In many cases, I don't know why this is not oriented right. It's designed to be facing the right direction, but if you click the third button down, you can use these arrows to flip around parts. The first one is to move parts. The second one here is to scale parts, so you can enlarge and decrease the size of. And you can also do that uniformly, so in one direction at a time. Mirror parts, add special support systems, yada yada. But at the end of the day, what we're looking at is like the slice and the time and the process. If you click slice and then you go to preview, you'll see exactly what's going to happen with the print you're running. And you have the number of layers over here, and you can drag down layer by layer, see the inside what happens, and then play here a preview of the actual printer nozzle running for each layer. So you can literally see line by line what's going to happen if you want to see how the print is going to be made. So pretty neat stuff, right? Of course, I gotta set the actual print up. You guys can test and see how much time things are going to take, how much material is actually going to be used, so on and so forth. So that's the quick introduction to setting up your own prints so you can get good at it. See you soon.